Hello everyone, in today's video the revolution comes in the form of the DOOGEE S200 Plus. The robust smartphone showcases a striking and upgraded Mecha 2.0 design inspired by the battle armor, which exudes power and futurism. This is the ultra-durable smartphone with IP68, IP69K and mil-STD 810H certifications, ideal for extreme conditions. It is now powered by the brand new Dimensity 7300 5G processor with the impressive up to 36GB of RAM, 100 megapixel camera and the additional 1.32-inch AMOLED rear screen with a massive 11,000 mAh battery, 66W fast charging and a 10W reverse charging. This phone offers a whole range of impressive features, and for details be sure to check out this DOOGEE S200 Plus video review. The DOOGEE S200 Plus arrives in eye-catching packaging, where we can see the name of the brand as well as the model, with the emphasis of how it comes with the Mecha 2.0 new upgraded design. Without further ado, let's open the box and discover what's inside. Now, in addition to the smartphone itself, we find in box user manual is here complete with the variant card and all the paperwork. Extra screen protector as accessories, even though the smartphone already comes with a pre-installed screen protection out of the box. Furthermore, we have a sleek black USB-C charging cable. We have now a 66W fast charger, which is a big step up compared to the 33W from the previous generation, ensuring much faster charging. Now that we are examining the contents of this box, let's refocus our attention on the smartphone itself. At the first glance, the S200 Plus looks like it was taken out of a futuristic movie like a red transformer, while in the hand it provides a unique feeling of solidity and security. Unlike most robust smartphones, this one captivates with its thickness and elegance. Its refined Mecha 2.0 design with the sharp angles and geometric lines contributes to the impression that it is built to withstand all possible challenges. Materials such as aerospace aluminum and reinforced plastic makes this phone fit firmly in your hand, as if you were holding a piece of professional equipment rather than an ordinary smartphone. Despite its size, thanks to the smart distribution of weight, the S200 Plus feels stable and reliable, like a tool that you can take with you on the most extreme situations. So on the right side of this red metal frame, we have two volume buttons. Below them is a power button, which also serves as a fingerprint reader. On the phone left side, you will find a SIM microSD tray that supports 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM plus TF card with capacity of up to 2 TB. A little lower, we also have this programmable button. This button can be customized to perform various functions with the 4 or install applications for up to 3 functions simultaneously, and can be activated with one click, double click or long press. At the bottom of the phone, we have a USB-C charging port, which is protected by a rubber cover that guarantees the phone's IP68 waterproof rating. From the back, we also see these huge speaker grills. Speaking of the impression of design, it is worth looking briefly at the difference between the old DOOGEE S200 Plus and the new S200 Plus. At the first glance, the phones are similar, but the Plus brings significant upgrades that are immediately noticeable in practice. So instead of Dimensity 7050 6nm processor, we have now a Dimensity 7300 4nm processor and more modern chip that offers a better performance and a greater energy efficiently. The memory has been increased, 16GB of basic RAM plus 20GB of virtual, a total of 36, while the old model had 12 plus 20GB. The storage space has been doubled, 5012GB of internal memory, expandable to 2TB, while the predecessor has 256GB. The battery is now 11,000 mAh silicon carbon battery compared to the 10,100 mAh on the S200, and the charging has been upgraded to 66V plus 10V reverse charging, which is twice as fast of the previous 33V. The system has been upgraded from the Android 14 to Android 15 with the addition of the Gemini AI integration for smarter usage and optimization. The rear AMOLED screen now brings new features: YouTube preview, compass, dynamic video wallpapers, and even your own signature, making it much more practical and interactive than before. Finally, the design itself has been redefined through the Mecha 2.0 concept, and this very attractive new color that we have today has been added, Volcanic Red, which visually immediately reveals that this is an improved version. All these differences make it clear that the new S200 Plus is much more than just a refresh. This is a true evolution of the model. The front of the DOOGEE S200 Plus is dominated by a very good 6.72-inch FHD Plus IPS screen. At the top of the screen is a selfie camera, which is a real delight for the photography lovers. With support for Full HD video recording, it's also great for video calls, vlogs, and on-the-go recording. With its resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and refresh rate of 120Hz, this screen provides a crystal clear projection with rich details and stunningly vivid colors. Whether you are watching your favorite movies, playing graphic-intensive games, or simply browsing the web, everything looks incredibly smooth and natural. The 120Hz refresh rate further contributes to the fluidity of animations. IPS technology ensures wide view angles, while the brightness is high enough for text and images to be visible without straining the eye. Hours and hours spent on YouTube videos become a real visual experience with the vivid colors and rich black depth offered by the new S200 Plus. Every detail of the video brings a crystal clear image, and the high contrast enables perfect resolution of light and dark tones. Now, the small additional screen on the back of the S200 Plus is one of the most interesting and practical design elements. It is a 1.32-inch AMOLED circular screen that is located right next to the triple camera. This additional screen allows a quick overview of key information without having to turn on the main screen. You can see the time, incoming calls, messages, and even notifications from applications on it, which is ideal when you are on the move or in situations where it is more practical to use a smaller screen. With the S200 Plus, however, the display has been significantly upgraded. Not only does it provide vivid colors and excellent contrast, but it now supports YouTube video playback, a built-in compass, dynamic long video wallpapers, and even with the option to add a unique personalized signature. In addition to being functional, this small screen contributes even more, and I must also mention that the watch faces are changeable, so we can choose our own watch face from the many offered and even make our own. DOOGEE S200 Plus has impressive triple camera system that is designed for versatile photography in various conditions. This system includes 100 megapixel main camera with AI technology. This main camera allows you to capture extremely detailed photos even in low light. Thanks to the AI enhancement, the camera can recognize scenes and automatically adjust settings to ensure the best possible result. 20 megapixel night camera with infrared technology. This night camera is a special addition that allows you to take photos and videos in extremely dark conditions. Thanks to the infrared sensor, you can take photos and videos in complete darkness, which is ideal for night adventures of professional users. Further, 2 megapixel macro camera for detail lovers. The macro camera allows you to capture close-up shots from minimal distance. This camera captures those fine details that are otherwise invisible to the naked eye. With support for 4K video recording, even at 60 fps, you can expect exceptional video quality with smooth transitions and rich colors. The combination of these cameras makes this phone the right tool for creatives on the go. DOOGEE is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 4nm processor, offer even better performance and efficient compared to the Dimensity 7050 from the previous generation. It is optimized to provide a smooth everyday gaming with exceptional power efficiently, extending battery life for longer gaming seasons. In terms of memory, the S200 Plus comes with 16GB of physical RAM, which can be further expanded to impressive 36GB thanks to the virtual memory. With 512GB of internal storage, expandable up to 2TB with the SD card, you have double the space compared to the previous model, more than enough for your favorite games, apps, photos and videos. In addition, the phone comes with 11,000 mAh battery, which allows for hours of continuous gaming and outdoor usage without the need for frequent charging. When you do need to charge, 66V fast charging ensures that the battery is filled in record time, while the 10V reverse charging allows you to use the S200 Plus as a power bank for other devices. The S200 Plus comes with the latest Android 15, provide a clean, secure and a fast user experience without unnecessary apps and impressive functionalities. In addition to the device comes with several useful pre-installed applications such as the System Manager and Optimizer, which can help the phone in top shape. The interface is simple and intuitive, which allows easy navigation and pleasant use even for those who are not technological experts. On the top of that, the S200 Plus integrates Gemini AI, which enhances the system with the smart resource management, improved personalization and better AI-driven photography. DOOGEE S200 Plus supports 5G connectivity, lightning-fast internet speeds, smooth streaming and a faster content download. In addition, it offers impressive wireless connectivity options including Wi-Fi 6, the latest Wi-Fi standard. For all the lovers of outdoor adventures, precise navigation is essential. The S200 Plus has you covered with a highly accurate navigation system that supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou and RGPS. These satellite navigation networks ensure reliable and accurate location tracking no matter where you are, making this device the ideal companion for your adventures. This phone is designed to be extremely durable and robust, making it perfect for demanding conditions. It's equipped with the IP68 and IP69K certifications, which means that it is resistant to water, dust and even high-pressure water jets. It also has MIL STD 810H military certifications, which confirms its ability to withstand extreme temperatures, shocks and drops. This robustness ensures that the phone can survive where the ordinary phones would fail. To summarize, this new S200 Plus is extremely robust smartphone designed for the most demanding conditions with resistant certifications. It provides a 6.72-inch FHD Plus screen with a refresh rate of 120Hz for superior visual experience, while the 1.32-inch rear AMOLED screen now offers YouTube preview, compass, dynamic wallpapers and custom signature. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor with up to 36GB of RAM and 512GB of expandable memory, perfect for multitasking and gaming. With a 100MP AI camera and 11,000 mAh silicon carbon battery with 66V fast charging and 10V reverse charging, it offers long-lasting performance and superb photos in all conditions. And all this with the attractive, futuristic and striking Mecha 2.0 design, now highlighted with the brand new Volcanic Red color. So if you're interested in purchasing this DOOGEE S200 Plus, and I'm sure you are, official sales links can be found below this video. Don't miss your opportunity to take advantage of a current promotional pricing, but act quickly as the quantities are limited. That's all for now, see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.